the solution to this example. So we're going to highlight this. Now we want this cell to change color, not depending on itself, but rather what's in that cell. So we can't use one of the wizards. We're going to have to go to the new rule, choose to use a formula. And because that's the active cell, we're going to say that cell must look at that cell over there. Is it equals to 1? The dollar signs means that all these cells will look at that one. So we need to get rid of the dollar sign, because we've set it up that that cell must look here, the next one must look at the next cell, etc. We can then set the format, and we can maybe put some shading on. So let's use maybe that one there for 1. When I say OK, you'll see immediately it's done it. We need to add another one on. So now when it's a 2, what must it do? So we put new rule again, use a formula, pretty much the same thing. We're referring to that cell, look at that cell there, remove the dollar signs. Is it equals to 2? If it is, what must the format be? We'll use maybe a thicker shading there, that one there. We say OK, OK. And you'll see fairly quickly now it's a little bit easier to see where there's stuff still available and where we have already mined.